Okay, that was 15221, departing with, I believe, the 1208 Great Western Railway service to Taunton from Cardiff Central. A pretty busy service again. Seems to be bad luck today. Anyway, hello guys, welcome to the latest video from KTV. And today I am at Yatton on the Bristol to Exeter branch of the Great Western Main Line. So today here at Yatton you're going to be seeing services from Great Western Railway and cross country. Joining me at Yatton is SFT Fan 1909, Somerset Rail Productions and South Wales Rail Productions. So do check out their channels. Coming here, I have actually filmed here before and it's a really lovely scenic station. It reminds me of Bradford-on-Avon. So I really am looking forward to filming here. So let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Go on. Let's see what's on offer here, shall we?
Let's see what's on offer here, shall we?
Wow, you're just not going to finish the sentence.
No, I'm not.
Let's get started here at Yatton. Okay, the first passing train of the day will be a cross-country service from Penzance to Gloucester. All the passing services here will be cross-country because we've seen the only Great Western Railway passing service today. Oh my god, listen to that.
Yeah,
That is giving at the major beams.
this is going to be loud.
Two, two, one, 1, 2, 3. That is giving it the almighty beams.
221 ABC.
Yep, easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to sing the Jackson 5
Good.
this time. Okay, next train to come in is the 1222 Great Western Railway service from Weston-super-Mare to Bristol Parkway. 15233 again. Delayed by about 3 minutes, probably due to late departures, if you even heard me talking there. Okay, departing now is the 1222 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Parkway from Weston-super-Mare. Most of these are like that, it's quite good. Okay, coming in next is the 1244 Great Western Railway service from Bristol Parkway to Weston-super-Mare. It is formed of a double pairing of 153s. I think it's, yeah, it is 153, 372, 153, 382. You'd probably be seeing the same two units on these runs, so it'll be 372 and 382 on one and 233 on the other. Also on its way is the 1252 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central from Taunton. It's coming up just along the line, which should be formed in 15122. Catch it on its departure. Well, this one. Also coming in is the 1252 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central from Taunton. The whistle's just blown for the 1244 service to Weston-super-Mare. I think we have 938 coming back. We do indeed, it's 15938. Wait, what? Alright then. So that one's there. And there goes 153372. 15382. And also there is 15938 with the 1252 service to Taunton. What on earth has happened to 15122? Please explain. I am genuinely confused. Okay, departing now is 15938 with the 1252 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central from Taunton. Sorry about shaky cam work, very, very chilly. Jordan trying to sneak past there, and it worked. Okay, coming through now, we have a passing service with cross country from Gloucester to Plymouth. Look like 221122. That was, yeah, that was 221122 on that one. Okay, coming in now is the 1309 Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Taunton, which should be 150-101.
It is.
It is indeed 150-101, the one that brought me in from Taunton originally.
The next one is going to be 150-152.
No driver really enjoys driving a 150. Catch it in a minute. Okay, departing now is the 1309 Great Western Railway service to Taunton. Nice smile from the train manager. At least he's smiling. The driver certainly wasn't. Look, his window hanging.
That's naughty. Ah.
And they make rules for us. No, I'm joking. They have to. Safety. Check that it's going out safely and efficiently. Well, on time. Okay, coming through now, we have a service, a cross-country service to Gloucester from Plymouth. Look like 220-007 to me. So we'll go with that. If not, it was either 220-007 or 220-001. It was one of the two. It was definitely 00. I think it was 007. Okay, coming in now is the 1322 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Parkway from Weston-super-Mare, and it is the double pairing 153, 153382. And 153370. Squealing away. Okay, departing now is the 1322 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Parkway. That one went into acceleration. Yep. Took a while. A double dog box. Well, factually speaking, that's what it is. You got a blurred lens. Okay, the final train to pass the station and the final train of this video will be a Penzance to Bristol Templemead service. This was originally meant to be Penzance to Piccadilly, Manchester Piccadilly, but it's not. Penzance to Bristol Templemeads. That is 221141. The only 4-card class 221. Haven't seen that one since Stafford. Blimey, that's been a long time. See, I'm good at keeping track of these things. Anyway, so as she passes through, I shall leave the video there. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video from Yatton. If you like what you've seen here at Yatton, then please do like and subscribe. Any comments you make, I'll get back to you as and when I can, and any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave those in the comments. Joining me at Yatton was SFT Fan 1909 on the other platform. Also joining was South Wales Railway Productions and Somerset Railway Productions, but they've gone to a model shop. So that's them. But anyway, my next station will be Worle, and that will be the final station of the day. So from me here at Yatton, I shall see you all in Worle. Bye guys.